My name is Yvonne Gray. I am a technology coach that supports teachers in my school district in implementing technology and integrating technology into their classroom to develop 21st century learners. I've always enjoyed working and mentoring teachers, so this position has become a natural fit for me, and I'm loving it. Google Sheets is one of those tools that we have in our toolkit that we might not always think of with students and using in the classroom with students. So, today I'm going to show you a way that Google Sheets can be used in the classroom to support English learners. The first thing that you need to do is open up a new Google Sheet. A column of English words, could be vocabulary, things that the student finds and that they need. Just make another column with the desired language. So the student perhaps needs Danish, a Danish translation. So you're going to click on the cell beneath that word, that language, and then click on the function tool up here. Scroll down to Google, select Google Translate, and then our formula starts to populate here. So the first thing we need to tell it is where is that English word that we want to translate from? And so that's over here. You're going to click on that and that the word book, which is in this cell C3. Then you're going to click on a comma and then a space. Then you need to tell it that word that we in that we're translating from is English. So you're going to put the letters en for English inside quotation marks, then a space and then a comma, and then quotation marks again to tell it that we are translating into Danish. Return, and that translates automatically. Those language codes can be found if you do a Google search for Google language codes, and it will come up with your list for you. You're going to click on the corner of the column and drag down, which will give you the translated list of words here. You can provide this sheet to students and they can find a vocabulary word as they're going about their day, and maybe they find the word finance and they need to translate it, and they can type it into their sheet that they have already with the formula, and they will find the translation for their word, their vocabulary word. So it can be a great use for students using Google Sheets.